Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Audi A5 2-litre TDI S-Line S-Tronic 2-door. Now this vehicle is currently on 35,901 miles and it's finished in the colour Brilliant Black. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now let's take a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front. You will find the very stylish LED headlights which provide you with great visibility of the road at night. Got your very stylish chrome front grille there and your sporty S-Line design. Here at the side you'll find your 18-inch alloy wheels. You've got your S-Line badging there on the side, your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You also have rear privacy glass to give you a very sporty look. Here inside to the rear you'll find your two rear seats finished in part leather. You do have ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. There's a power armrest there in the middle. And you even have the free zone climate control, so rear passengers here can pick a temperature so they can travel comfortably. Here you can see your front seats. You do have the electric adjustment. Pushing the button there will glide it back into position, making access in and out of those rear seats very easy. Here to the rear you'll find your dual exhaust, and now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the boot. You can see you do have a very nice deep amount of storage space there. You can fit two suitcases in there nicely. There are tethering points so you can tiny loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. You'll also find a spare wheel underneath the boot floor. You've got a handle up top there allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around now, and let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. You do have your leather multifunction S-Line branded steering wheel. You've got a nice metal finish across the dashboard in the centre console as well. Your front seats here with the S-Line badging embossed into the leather. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You do have an adjustable armrest in the centre console as well so you can travel comfortably. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Audi A5 has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include heating. With the heating you can quickly defrost or demist the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. So it's super handy, for example, when it's raining or they're frosted over. You do have your front electric window switches there. Moving on now, this A5 does come with automatic headlights as well as wipers as well. So when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You can see your automatic stalk there for the wipers. Moving on, here on the right of the steering wheel you do have your volume controls for the infotainment system. You can change track and station and answer and end phone calls. You do have paddle shifts behind the steering wheel to make manual gear changes. Here to the left you'll find the controls for the display you have here in the instrument cluster. You can see your digital speedometer on there, even access your trip computers. You can access additional menus as well, including your audio, phone and a compass for the navigation there. Pressing the view button on the steering wheel will also give you a minimalistic look for the dashboard. Here to the left you've got your indicator stalk, and below here you do have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys as it means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, allowing you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. It's extremely ideal if you're frequently on the motorway. You do have a speed limiter you can use as well if you wish to maintain a specific speed limit. Moving on now and heading to the dashboard. Up top here you will find your infotainment screen. You do have the controls for it in the center console here. You've got the dial and also your shortcut toggles to access your different menus. You've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio, and with your DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly, and it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with all different stations available to you there. You can then save them to your favourites to access them much more easier. You do have your media connection where you can connect your own source of audio with USB, auxiliary input. There's also your Bluetooth audio as well. With your Bluetooth you also have your telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to, and it also ensures you don't miss any important phone calls when you're driving. You can pair your device up very easily there. Now this A5 does come equipped with navigation so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance with a nice vibrant colour display. Using the scroller you can zoom in and out to change the view. You can access additional map settings there as well. You do have your Audi Connect. With a subscription service you're able to gain access to features such as the weather, fuel prices in the area, parking, online news. You do have your Audi smartphone interface though, which uses Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and will bring a similar interface to your phones onto the system, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can even use your compatible apps as well, such as your navigation, music streaming servicing, even apps like WhatsApp and Teams. Moving to your vehicle menu now though, you do have your Audi Drive Select with your different driving modes, which change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience through these. You have your efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. With the individual feature here, you can set up your own preferences to the engine and the steering, so the vehicle performs and handles specifically how you want it to. You can access additional vehicle settings here. You've got access to your exterior lighting. You do have your central locking as well. You also have your driver assist features. You've got a speed warning here where you can set up a speed limit that the vehicle will then alert you if you start to exceed, so you can be very cautious when driving. You've got your parking aid. This A5 does come equipped with front and rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when parking, as it does make you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see. Makes parking much more easier to do. Your efficiency assist here, you've got access to your intelligent coasting and predictive messages as well to keep you nice and fuel efficient. Moving on, you've got your Audi Pre Sense, which can detect potential hazards ahead and warn you, so you can prevent or reduce impact by emergency braking. You can turn it off here in the settings as well if you wish to. Your rest recommendation, which will alert you to take a break from driving if you've been behind the wheel for a long period of time, for example. You can also turn the rain sensor for the automatic wipers on and off as well. Moving on now, below here you will find your free zone climate control, allowing driver and passengers to make their own preferred temperature choices. Up front here, you can also pick the direction of airflow for driver and passenger, preventing any arguments on discomfort. With the climate control, you can set up the rear specifically here if you wish to, and also sync up to have the same temperature all throughout the vehicle. You can see your temperature controls on either side of the digital display. You do have buttons for defrosting the front and rear windscreen as well. You have automatic features, your air recirculation. You even have heated front seats with 3 different temperature options to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. It's a perfect touch to have. Your start-stop system there, your traction control, even your parking sensors. You also have a button for turning the display off. You also have a shortcut switch for your Audi Drive Select. You can see there you can quickly alternate between your different driving modes. 12-volt socket and 2 cup holders there. And you can see your center console, including your automatic gear selector. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi A5 2-litre TDI S-Line S-Tronic 2-door. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.